Mastering GMAT Quantitative Reasoning, your path to success. Hey there, English language learners. Welcome to another exciting video in our series on GMAT test preparation. Today, we're diving deep into the GMAT's quantitative reasoning section, where you'll get a chance to showcase your mathematical prowess. So, let's get started and uncover the secrets to mastering GMAT quantitative reasoning. Before we delve into the specifics of the quantitative reasoning section, let's take a moment to understand the overall structure of the GMAT test. The GMAT, or Graduate Management Admission Test, is a standardized exam used by many business schools to assess candidates' readiness for their MBA programs. The test consists of 4 main sections: analytical writing assessment, integrated reasoning, quantitative reasoning, and verbal reasoning. The quantitative reasoning section is designed to evaluate your mathematical skills and problem-solving abilities. It consists of 2 types of questions: problem-solving and data sufficiency. Each question presents you with a scenario or problem that you'll need to solve using your quantitative knowledge. Let's now dive into the first type of question you'll encounter in the quantitative reasoning section: problem-solving. In problem-solving questions, you'll be presented with a mathematical problem and asked to find the correct answer among 5 multiple-choice options. To excel in problem-solving, you need a strong foundation in various mathematical concepts such as algebra, geometry, arithmetic, and data analysis. The key is to identify the relevant information, devise an effective plan, and apply the appropriate mathematical techniques to arrive at the correct answer. Throughout the section, you'll encounter a wide range of problem-solving scenarios, including word problems, equations, and quantitative comparisons. Moving on to the second type of question in the quantitative reasoning section: data sufficiency. In data sufficiency questions, you won't be asked to find the actual answer to a problem. Instead, you'll need to determine whether the given data is sufficient to solve the problem. This type of question assesses your ability to analyze information and make logical deductions. Data sufficiency questions require a unique approach. You'll need to evaluate each statement individually and then consider them together. The answer choices will always remain the same, so your task is to determine whether each statement provides enough information independently or in combination. Now that you have a better understanding of the 2 question types in the quantitative reasoning section, let's discuss some essential strategies to help you succeed in this part of the GMAT. 1. Practice, practice, practice. The more you practice solving quantitative problems, the more familiar you'll become with the question formats and the better you'll get at applying the necessary techniques. 2. Time management. The GMAT is a timed exam, so it's crucial to manage your time effectively. Pace yourself and ensure you allocate enough time to each question without spending too much time on any single question. 3. Identify strengths and weaknesses. Take the time to identify your strengths and weaknesses in different areas of mathematics. Focus on strengthening your weak areas while maintaining your strengths. 4. Review foundational concepts. Brush up on the fundamental mathematical concepts tested in the GMAT, such as algebra, geometry, and statistics. Solidify your understanding of these concepts to boost your performance. Congratulations on completing our crash course on GMAT Quantitative Reasoning. We've explored the structure of the GMAT test, learned about problem solve,